Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Myself is Sanjay Kumar Garg from a company called Aryav Eco-Friendly Resources LLP. Our company basically deals with the air to water generator or atmospheric water generator, where we are converting the air into the pure form of our drinking water. This is the device which is converting the air into the water. Basically, the process is the condensation process where the air is entering into the machine. It cools down and then condensation happens, and after that the water goes inside the bottom tank. Then the water filtration happens, and at the top of the tank it goes into that, and from there we dispense out the water. The quality of the water, we are getting it with a 99.9% purity, pH level more than 7.5%, no need of any kind of input water, no wastage of water. The cost of water generation is less than 2 rupees a liter. No plumbing is required, it's just a plug and play. You can take it from one place to another place. An ideal product for a defense sector, for the railways, for everybody. I can tell you, in this particular machine, this is a 30-liter machine where we can use it for the domestic purpose. We have the machines from a 30-liter to a 10,000 liter to cater the market from domestic, institutional, commercial, and the industrial segment. We have a different models. In this particular model, you can see that there is a filtration process which has been shown. There is a heating of the water is there. It shows the humidity level. Then the temperature is also there, and we can dispense the water like this. Now I'll just do a one test for you. On the one glass, we have a RO water. On the other glass, we are putting up a AWG. When we are doing the electrolysis of this particular water, you can see this is a AWG water and this is the RO water. So let it be just be there for around 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, basically the main problem which we are solving is the pure form of the drinking water. As we all know, throughout globally, more than 1.1 billion people, they do not have an access of the water, and 9 out of 10 they are consuming a contaminated water. And the solution which we are giving is the same, the pure form of the water. The USP which we are saying is that no need of input water, no wastage of the water, alkaline form of the water at a very reasonable price, and can be used anywhere for any purpose. No dependency on any kind of groundwater or monsoons. Our marketing strategy is to promote this product through a government segment, through the distribution channel for the domestic market, through rural areas or NGOs, as well as to look into the global market and service centers by selling the spare parts. We have three models of a revenue, three form of a revenue to generate the revenue. One is selling the machines. Second is through AMC and the selling of the spare parts. Third, we want to give these machines to the on the rent basis to the various retail outlets. We are already in talks with the Future Group where they are interested to put these kind of machines in their outlets. We already have discussions with various global players who want to be our channel partners. We are in discussions in Middle East, particularly UAE. We are in discussions with Cameroon, Cambodia, South Africa, and Kenya. And then the discussions are going on in Bulgaria and Nigeria also. In India, people have shown interest from Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Mumbai, Kolkata, as well as from Delhi to be our partner with us. We have filed the patent for this technology in February 2020, and we have also filed it for the brand trademark in the form of a RF AWG. This is a pre-revenue generated company, as we have filed the patent in February 2020, and after that, because of a lockdown, so we have not launched these machines. We are expecting a future growth in the range of around 100 CR company in next 2 to 3 years time frame, looking at its scalability of the product and the machines, and that is the requirement of today's world, being that water is the main global crisis, and we really want to work to eradicate this particular problem. As a team, we are 3 founders. Myself, Sanjay Kumar Garg, who is an IIT Delhi alumni, who is based in Delhi, Gurgaon. Another partner is Mr. Natwar Duwalia, who is based in Kolkata. My third partner is Mr. Bharat Bhushan Kapoor, who is based in Dubai, mainly in Al Ain. In achievements, we have already filed the patent, as I mentioned. The technology has already been tested. We have already participated in few of the exhibitions where we have collected few of the testimonials where the people have shown interest and they appreciated the quality of the water, because there is no heavy metals also in this particular water, and it's very light to drink. And above all, that this company basically started in 23rd of May 2017, but earlier we were working in some other field. So actually we started working on AWG around 6 to 8 months back only. Until then, we have looking for the competition in the market. We have a direct competition with RO, where we see that we have a certain positives which we mentioned earlier, as well as directly with the AWG providers. They have not had the complete range of the product where we want to launch it. Now let's just look at the test which we have just conducted. This was the RO water, as I mentioned. This was the AWG water. So look at the quality of the water after that. When it comes to with the black bubbles and all those things, it means there is a presence of a heavy metals like a lead and zinc. While this is yellow, which says that, the golden one which says that it is an organic metal like a silicone and all those things. So this shows that with the kind of a water we are consuming. So again, I'll say thank you very much for giving us an opportunity to showcase our product, and we do expect a very good response in the market in the coming days. Thank you very much.